Welcome back. Here we go again. We're about to start collecting our item. Let's do it. Okay, so we have basically some items that we want to collect in our game. So let's just go ahead and get that started because we are on the road. So let's go add an object. What do you want to collect? I don't know. Let's go figure some in that asset pack that we had before and do it that way. So again, home, where is that? A full game pack, and we're going down to Pixel Adventure. Whoop, whoop. All right, what can we collect? I mean, who doesn't like fruit? Let's collect some fruit. Oh man, let's collect some fruit. All right, cool beans. So we like, I mean, I don't know what fruit y'all like. I'm gonna collect strawberries because I like strawberries. Actually, I really do like strawberries. Not like every day, but strawberries are cool. Okay, so here goes a strawberry, and every time we see a strawberry, we want to collect it. So let's go ahead and take a couple of seconds right quick and put this all over our map. All right, now that we got that out the way and we have these amazing ones all over the screen, and again, you can just pause the video and you can put them any place you want to put on the screen. Again, just remember you have to get to them. All right, so how do we collect these things? The same way we did it before. So let's go to our event sheet. All right, again, what's the easiest way? You can hit this one, or let's just go ahead and do it just to make sure you're comfortable. Again, add a condition. We want to get to our character, and we want to type in the word collide or collision. Again, if you use code.org or stuff like that, you probably get the same one. And we're colliding with the strawberry. Okay, press OK, and so that is our condition. So if this virtual guy collides with this strawberry, we want to do something. Now, video games is a game of like deception. That sounds bad, but it really is. And so what happens when you actually collect this is actually just goes away. So what we want to do is we want to add an action for our strawberry to actually go away. And so that action is to delete it. You're like, really? That's all that happens? Yes, literally that's all that happens. Okay, and then press OK. So every time we run into this, strawberry is going to delete. So again, go over here, run into it, and you see it deleting. Now, that is so simple. You're like, you got to be joking. Yeah, I'm not joking at all. It's literally that easy. Look at that. Ooh, I got that one. All right, cool. Now, so I can stop having so much fun. Now you can add some more stuff to it so that once it actually gets it, you can add a sound to it. So let's add a sound. I'm gonna put my sound back on so I can hear it. You may not be able to hear it, but you'll hear it on your device. So again, boom, play sound. Let's go to the asset store, and we just want to get something that has like some type of collecting sound. Okay. So I'm gonna just do the shortcut and type in the word coin, and then, all right, that sounds good. Let's do that one. So coin 2, we chose it, and then press OK. And again, if you need to, just stop the video because it's so easy just to get this. So again, when I collide with this, we want it to delete, and then after that, play a sound. Okay. So again, you're not gonna be able to hear it because I don't have my sound synced to this. But again, you will be able to hear it on yours, and you're gonna feel like you're a champion among champions because you are a champion. You know, God made you amazing, so feel that way. All right, so next thing is we have the moment where we collect things, and you're gonna probably say, can we add a score to it? We can, and we are going to do it in this video. So one thing you gotta do is, we already have our layer tab open. If you don't have it, again, just click layer, is up here. All right, if you wanna take out your properties, you don't need that right now. And if you wanna take away your objects, you don't need that right now either, okay? Right now, we need to go ahead and add another layer to this so we can actually display some things. So let's go add a layer. And this new layer, we're gonna name it UI. UI to stand for user interface. And our user interface is just gonna display our score. All right, we can add lives and all other stuff, but we're not gonna do it on this one only because we're gonna keep it simple, right? You're gonna collect the score, and that's all we want you to do is collect the score. So let's go ahead and get our objects back because we're gonna have to figure out, well, how do you add a score to this, right? Very good question. To get a score, you have to add a text. So again, let's go to new object right here from scratch and go grab a text. On this, just name it score because that's what it's going to direct. And you want to go ahead and just name it score. You can add a font to it whenever you want to. On this one, you can change the color. Let's change it to white so it can actually pop up on the screen. And change the font size to 50. And again, just pause the video right now just so you can get it. All right, now you got that, press apply, and let's take this score and drag it on our screen. Now, you can put the score in where you want to. I'm gonna put it right here. Now, you're gonna have to put this again on this layer. So again, hit the property tab, and again, check this one, go UI. Again, I'm gonna do it one more time. Click this, scroll down, click UI. Again, so our background is on our last layer. The base layer is where all our action is going on. Our UI layer is what's on top of it. So what's gonna happen when we hit preview, you're gonna see this UI layer follow us constantly out this map. So again, every time we collect stuff, you're gonna see that it is constantly following us, and that's the whole part of a UI. And so you've probably seen this on so many of your games before where you have the fact where you're moving throughout the game and this fixed location is staying there. So if you play Fortnite or anything like that and you see your ammo and all that, it's all in the UI. It's a separate layer than your gameplay. And that's one of the cool things about this. Now, so we can wrap this video up, let's go ahead and program how to change this UI. So, all right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add a score to our game. So let's go over here to global variable. And after that, we're going to add the word score to our game because we want this global variable to, and again we'll have it to 0 and we'll hit apply. All right, so we have a global variable called score. This score will be throughout our whole game, and we're going to apply that to our game now. Once we get to it, we have the fact where we have everything happening, but we want to add one to that global variable. So again, we can type in global to get that variable. We want to change the number, and then we already have our score here. All right, and we wanted to add to it 1. So every time we get it, we want to add the value to it as 1. All right, so we already have it. We already have it equaling to 1 every time we collect this strawberry. And so what we want to do is we want to change the text so it can actually do that. So what we're going to do is go over here. All right, this does require a little bit of coding, but again, most platformers are going to be the same, so it's pretty simple. So again, here go text. All right, and so what basically we don't want to add it. We want to set this one equal to, and what we're going to do is you need quotations because you're going to have to make the text say this, right? So we wanted to say score again. All right, hit a space, and then hit your quotations on it, and then we want to add this global score to it. So we'll always have this global variable, right? And so toString just means they're gonna write out what the global variable score is. And now we got to make sure we type the word score in here. Don't worry, that's all you putting in there. So this is actually like the code. All right, so when we collect the strawberry, it's going to say score, and then it's going to add the score that is on there, and we're going to press OK, and we're done. Seriously, let's look at this. So again, here we go. Every time we collect one, it's going to give us 1. It's going to get to another one. It's going to say 2, and then it's going to keep on going 3, and the list goes on until we get all these different ones. And then as you can see, your game is coming to life. We want to change that little thing on that one, but we're good. All right, thank you for allowing me to serve you. I hope you're excited about what's going on. When we come back, we are going to have some enemies, and we're gonna go finish up this level, and we'll be done with our tutorial about how to make these basic platformers. Till next time, Jesus love you. God bless. Later days.